2011 BMW M3, all the way out of Canada, guys. We appreciate all our customers. They come from all over the world to us, so we really appreciate it. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got factory converters there and there, secondary converters there. Then what we did is did a mid-resonator delete for him right there. As you guys can see, nice, beautiful welds. Then he wanted to keep the muffler for now. He might change it later on. We don't know. But there's the stock muffler on it now. So it's the same, because with quad tips out the back on each side, as you guys can see. It's got carbon fiber. There's the two resonators that were on it that we cut off and replaced with pipe. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go. BMW M3 with mid-resonator delete. It needs more. Well, it might barble now a little bit, maybe. Give it gas? It is better than the beat. A little bit. That's not bad, actually. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 100. It's not bad at all, actually. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Go ahead. It did change it. Yeah, it helped a lot. It's about 30% louder than it was. Again. So fun fact about Canada, he was telling me, they don't care about the catalytic converters, but they do care about the mufflers. You're not allowed to take mufflers off, but they don't care about converters. You can take converters off. So, fun fact. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 2011 M3 with mid-resonator delete, factory muffler, factory cats, ready to rip. Here we go. That sucker go. Ah, what a quick little thing. Be smooth. Enjoy, guys.